Hello, everybody. So my name is Andrea Corallo, and I use some of my spare time to hack on Emacs and work mainly on the Emacs disk native compiler. So 2 years ago in Porto, I think I gave a Latin talk that was like low-hanging watermelons in the Emacs disk native compiler. Then last year I presented nothing, so this is kind of proof that I've been less lazy this year. So we present some stuff that will come in Emacs 30 that we are about to branch. This is not an omni-comprehensive list, it's just stuff I've been involved or I think you are interested in. Okay, I will have to do some Emacs keystrokes, so bear with me. Okay, thank you very much. So I wanted to improve like the interaction of the user with the native compiler. So exchanging, say, value types. So knowing what the compiler is expecting or stuff like that. So in both directions. So the first thing I noticed is that the documentation in Emacs about types was really lacking. So some type was mentioned, but what about type hierarchy? What is the relation between types? It was not documented. So I say, okay, guys, I think we have to write some documentation. And Richard Stallman sent me an email and say, okay, but do we have to do any other work than doing the documentation? Because if it's the case, we had better not to document it. And I say, no, Richard, we don't have to do any other work other than the documenting, but actually, I think it was not true because we had to fix some stuff to make it coherent. So in, sorry. Okay, so in Emacs 30, there will be this like plot that is like showing the type hierarchy. This is generated directly from Emacs, so Emacs is bootstrap, and then we create this. And introducing this, I actually realized that I introduced type T in Emacs. So I sneaked in. That's better later than ever, I guess. Okay, so function type declaration. I managed to agree with the upstream on a syntax that looks like this. So declare macro is not the most compact one, but this is what you get it. You can write macros on top of it, better than nothing. So this is how it looks like on a function that I've taken from Emacs core. So nothing special about it.
Is there a bug-free declaration?
A bug-free declaration?
Yeah, because you got error-free, so why not bug?
Oh, yes. It's a very good suggestion. I will. We can discuss about that. Okay, so control HF. In Emacs 30, when you ask the help for a function, you will get some information about the inferred type, both for declared functions, both for functions without declaration like this one. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. And maybe we can see also the previous one. Yeah, you get it. I'm about to like add also the safety parameter, so the compiler quality, how you want to call it. This was not planned, but at the moment code is compiled like is at safety 0. So I introduced some undefined behavior in Lisp. I think that made me very proud, but not everybody was happy. So, so I'm rushing to implement this safety stuff that will look like this and will default to 2. So code will be again safe, unfortunately. and some stuff that will come hopefully in Emacs 31, better compiler diagnostic. I always promise that when I speak here. A new garbage collector. So this effort is mainly done by Germellen. It's integrating MPS into Emacs, so parallel, generational, blah, 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 whatever garbage collector. And of course, we will have better code generation. I always promise that as well.
We're going to be shot.
So yeah, I think we are getting there. This is a threat, and I'm done.